Hello kids, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn ABC and 1, 2, 3. Red color. A for apple. Blue color. B for banana. Black color. C for coconut. Yellow color. One. One. Brown color. Two. Two. Green color. Three. Three. Let's again. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.